Hey guys, here's the Lizzie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your intro. It is, if you're wondering. It's not that hard. Like, probably you already know what it is. It's like easy. It's like for me. But you probably intro, so I want to show you guys. So it's really easy. You just need 2 apps. I can touch this app list because it only is for me. So you need iMovie and Photo. But you can actually change this to do not touch. Only for Abdul Aziz. Just to pronounce, if people don't know that and they keep on calling it Abdul Aziz or Abdul Aziz or Akil Aziz or Abdul Aziz or Clement Zaza or Papa. So it's very simple. You need these 2 apps. Well, I already started making an intro. I got these 2. But I'm also going to be showing you how to make an outro. This is going to be my outro. This is going to be my intro. My intro is going to be not that girl. At the end, it's kind of a little bit scary. So prepare your eyes. Yes, it comes up. But I'm gonna edit this. Instead of fade, I'm change it to none. Well, it matters if you save it. When you save it, it has to be this quality. You have to press save video, and then it has to be medium 360p. And then it will make it regular. And that's all you have to do. Make sure you download Photo so you can customize all. But make sure you add it as a ping, not save it when you go to Photo and save it. Please. You'll have a good time.